Okay, children, first we will understand about the protector. This is a protector. This is the center point of the protector. This is the center point of the protector, and we always keep this point on the vertex of the angle while measuring the angle. We always keep this center point on the vertex of the angle while measuring the angle. Then the second thing is the baseline. This line is called the baseline. This line is called the baseline, and this baseline should always match with our ray of the angle. This baseline should always match with the ray of our angle. After this, the next thing that we have in a protector is two circles. We have two circles. This is the outer circle and this is the inner circle. In the outer circle, the numbers here are 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120, 130, 140, 150, 160, 170, 180. In the inner circle also, we have the numbers in the same way. In outer circle, 0 started from this side, that means left side of mine. And in inner circle, 0 started from right side of mine. It's 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. And like this, we have till 180. So, one side I have 0 in outer circle and 180 in the inner circle. Second side I had 0 in the inner circle and 180 in the outer circle. The most important thing while using the protector is which number will we see? Are we going to see the inner circle number or we are going to see the outer circle number? That ma'am will explain you as we will be doing the questions. Okay. Now, for the first question, A part of exercise 10.4, if you will see exercise 10.4, A part, this is the A part. The angle is already made and they have already kept the protector on the angle. While keeping the protector on the angle, always make sure that your center point of the protector is matching with the vertex of your angle. Okay, if I'm putting my own protector on this like this, it should be exactly on the center point. अगर मैं ऐसे रखूंगी या ऐसे रखूंगी, it is wrong. Okay, इधर भी नहीं रख सकते, इधर भी नहीं रख सकते. It should be exactly, center point should be exactly on the vertex of the angle. This is the vertex of the angle and this is the baseline. ये देखो, ये baseline नहीं होती. Baseline is the line which is this one, the line where 0 and 180 is written. This is the baseline, the first line. Okay, so this baseline should exactly match with the ray. This is the first ray. This is the exactly matching and it's see it is going on 0. After putting this protector on this angle and seeing that the center point is matching with the vertex and the baseline is exactly matching with my this ray, first ray. Any one ray, it should match with any one ray. So I'm putting it on the down ray like this and it is matching, exactly matching with the first ray of my angle. After it is matching with my first ray of the angle, then there are numbers in the inner circle and the outer circle. Inner it is written 0 and outer it is written 180. We never start with 180. We will always start with 0. So 0 is in the inner circle. Where 0 is there? If 0 is in the inner circle, I will see inner circle number. If 0 will be in the outer circle, I will see the outer circle number. As my 0 is in the inner circle, I will see the inner circle number. Okay. Now, then I will see where is my second ray going. My second ray is going here. In this number, if you will see properly, I'm going to zoom it a little bit. This line is going between 130 and 140. I am not seeing the outer numbers because 0 was in inner circle, so I am seeing the inner numbers. This line is between 130 and 140. After 130, the first line, see if I will take my protector here, this is 130, this is 130 and this is 140. After 130, the first line will be 131. Each single line, small line is 1 degree. So 130, the first line is 131, then 132, 133, 134, 135. Fifth line is always little bigger. Fifth line is always little bigger. Then 136, 137, 138, 139 and 140 is again a little bigger line. 130 bigger hoga, 140 bigger hoga, and the middle line between them is 135. If we will see here, it's 130, it's 140, and our ray is exactly going on the middle line of 130 and 140. So this angle is going to be 135 degree. This angle is going to be 135 degree. So we will write angle GHI is 135 degree. Okay. All of you can write this angle 135 degree. Angle GHI. Name of the angle is angle GHI. It is 135 degree. Now the next part. Again, we have put a protector on our angle. Our vertex is matching with the center, and our first ray is matching with a 0 degree line or the base line. Now where this line is going, now I have to see this line is going this side. 0 is in inner circle or 0 is in outer circle. I can easily see that 0 is in the outer circle. If 0 is in the outer circle, I'm going to see the outer circle number. If 0 is in the inner circle, I will see inner circle number. This is the most important decision that all of us have to make, is which circle are we going to see? Are we going to see inner circle numbers or are we going to see outer circle numbers? Now I can see that 0 is in the outer circle, so we will see the outer circle numbers. Fine. Now, where is my second ray going? It's going here, and I have to see the outer circle number here because for the first ray, 0 was in outer circle. It's written 70 in the inner circle and 110 in the outer circle. So, as it is written 110 in the outer circle, so this angle is 110 degree. All of you can write in your book 110 degree. Angle LKS. Name of the angle is already mentioned here. Angle LKS is equals to 110 degree. Now children, we will see question number B. It says that use a protractor to measure each of the angle and write its type. You remember the types of angle? We have done 5 types of angle: acute angle, obtuse angle, right angle, straight angle, and we have done zero angle and reflex angle also. But we will be measuring these angle and then we have to tell which type of angle it is. Now, again, on the vertex B, this is the angle ABC. Angle ABC is there. Angle ABC is there. Angle ABC, I'm going to put my center of the protector on the vertex here, like this, and my baseline should exactly match with the first ray here, like this, exactly on the ray. See, it is exactly on the ray. If I'm going to put like this or I'm going to put like this, it is wrong. I'm exactly going to put like this. Fine. My baseline is matching with the first ray, and now I will see where is my second ray going. My second ray is going here up at 90. 90 for inner circle and outer circle is 90 only. But when we were seeing our baseline, our ray was going this side and 0 is in the inner circle. So we are supposed to see the inner circle numbers. The second ray is going at 90. 90 is same for inner and outer circle. That's why 90 is only written once over here. This angle measures 90 degree, and all of us know that 90 degree is a right angle. So ma'am has written here 90 degree and it is a right angle. Come to the next part. Second part now. Again, I am going to put my center on this vertex N, and my baseline should match with the 0 degree line. Exactly on the line like this, SA and SA, it is wrong. Make sure your center is on N and your baseline is matching with 0 degree line. After it is matching, children, this M is going between. It's not on any of the line which are made here. This M is in between. If you will see here, M is going in between, and where it is going, to find out that, I have to extend this line. I have to extend this line. So ma'am is going to extend the line. Ma'am is going to extend the line like this, putting the protector. we will see where it is going. Again, I'm going to put the protector center on the vertex, baseline matching with the ray, and this side ray is going, 0 is in the inner circle. I have to see the inner circle numbers. Now this ray is going, inner circle number, it is 30 and 40. This ray is going between 30 and 40. 30 and 40. After 30, the middle line was 35. We all know that the middle line is 35. After this is 30, the middle line is 35, or you can count also 1, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. 35 ke baad next line is 36 and then 37. I am explaining again. Listen again. Okay. See, this is 30. We are seeing the inner numbers. This is 30. This is 40. So 31, 32, 33, 34. The bigger line is 35. 35 ke baad next is 36 and next is 37. The line is going on the 7th line after 30. So it is 37 degree. This angle is 37 degrees. So name of the angle is angle MNO. Name of the angle is angle MNO and it is 37 degree. और जब भी angle ऐसे बीच में आता है, the ray is smaller, we extended using the scale. Or I had a straight protector, so I extended with the protector only. This was 37 degree. This was 37 degree. And as it is less than 90 degrees, so it is an acute angle. So ma'am has written here 37 degree and acute angle. Okay. Next part, third part, is angle PQR. Again, protector center here on Q. Vertex is Q, so center on Q and baseline matching with the first ray. Again, children, it is going in between, so let me extend the line using the scale. Ma'am has extended the ray. But because the book is like this, it's in the middle, so it is going to be a little difficult for us to measure this angle because I can only extend the ray till here. Now, again, center point on Q and my Z baseline is matching with P. Then I have to see where is 0. 0 is in inner circle or 0 is in the outer circle. My ray is going towards this side and this side 0 is in the outer circle. All of you can see 0 is in the outer circle. If 0 is in the outer circle, I have to see the outer circle numbers. I will not see inner circle numbers. Now let us go towards here. As we have to see outer circle numbers, outer circle, this ray is going in middle of 130 and 140. This ray is going in the middle of 130 and 140. Inner ones I'm not saying, or I'm not seeing because 0 was in the outer circle with our first ray. See, 0 was in outer circle. So I'm going to see the outer circle numbers only. Outer circle number, this ray is going between 130 and 140. There will be little problem, which as I already told you, this ray can be drawn till there only, and because the book is like this, so I have to just see with my finger. See, the ray is going here. It's going exactly in the middle of 130 and 140. The ray is exactly going in the middle of 130 and 140. If it is exactly, I can show with my scale. The ray is here. Like this it is going. The ray is like going like this. I have just put my scale on the ray. Like this. And where is my scale finally going? My scale is finally going on exact middle line of 130 and 140. It is going here. The scale is touching this line. This line is exactly between 130 and 140. So between 130 and 140, it is 135 degree. This also you people have to remember. If the line is between 130 and 140, it should be 135 degree. It cannot be 125. It cannot be 145. This also you have to remember 130 or 140. Between 130 and 140. Between 130 and 140, it can be 135, it cannot be 125, it cannot be 145. So this also you people have to see carefully. अगर 130 and 140 के बीच में line है, so the number should be between 130 and 140 only. And this line is exactly between 130 and 140, so this is 135 degree. So we will write angle PQR is 135 degree, and the type of angle, as the angle is more than 90 degrees, so this is an obtuse angle. Ma'am has written here 135 degree and obtuse angle. All of you can also write. Okay.